Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create a Selenium Maven project. First, ensure you have the Eclipse IDE and Java development kit installed on your system. Next, verify that Maven is correctly configured within your Eclipse environment. Then, open Eclipse and navigate to File, New, and select Maven Project to begin the setup process. Choose a simple project archetype and provide your group and artifact ID. This initial setup forms the foundation for your automation framework. Now that your project is set up, the next crucial step is to add the necessary Selenium dependencies. Open your project and locate the POM XML file, which is central to Maven projects. Inside the Dependencies section, you will add the Selenium WebDriver library. Additionally, include testing framework dependencies like TestNG or JUnit. Maven will automatically download and integrate these libraries, simplifying your project's dependency management. With dependencies in place, you're ready to write your first Selenium test. Create a new Java class within your project, which will house your test logic. Inside this class, you'll initialize a WebDriver instance, such as Chrome driver, and then instruct it to navigate to a specific URL. From there, you can perform basic web interactions like clicking elements or entering text, and add assertions to validate expected outcomes. Once your test is written, you can easily run it directly from Eclipse. Right-click on your test file or class, then select Run As, and choose JUnit Test or TestNG Test, depending on your setup. Observe the console output for test results and any potential errors. If issues arise, use Eclipse's debugging tools to step through your code and identify the problem. Remember to check the description for a link to these fantastic leak-proof containers, perfect for making meal prep easy, along with other great deals. This process helps ensure your automation scripts are robust and reliable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.